In this bubble.io tutorial, I'm going to show you how to take your user's IP address and generate a country code for the location of that IP address, and then save that into your Bubble app. We need a plugin to do that, and I've got this plugin here, IP Geolocation by Zeroqode. And to get the data from it, I need to add the element to my page. And so we can test that it's working. I'll add a text box, and then I just refer to the element, and I can get all these different pieces of information. I'm going for country code because this is part of a 2-video series showing how to insert a country code into the Page 2 API so that you can web scrape from the perspective of another country, like viewing the website that you're scraping content from as if you're viewing them from basically any country around the world. So I'm going to take the country code because that's a 2-digit representation of the country. Then if I click here, I just need to change this to to IP. No, it's one of these fields. If I look at the documentation, it says response IP geolocation, but I think they've updated their plugin. Where is it? Okay, I just checked, and the field I need to use is text. So if I click preview, there we go. I am in the UK or Great Britain as a country code, so it gives back GB. Now, how do I save that into my database? So I'm just going to add a button in, and this could be part of like an onboarding workflow. So assuming that I've already registered the user, I can go account, make changes to current user, change another field, and then I can add in country code, and it's just text. And then I refer to the item. Remember, the text on the page is just so I can check that it's working. So I can refer back to the plugin element that I've added to the page, country code. And I know looking at the Page 2 API documentation, like here, that it expects the country code values to be lowercase. So I'll just go more and then lowercase. So by clicking this button, I'm saving that 2-digit country code in lowercase to my current user. I'm now going to stop this video, and I'll be recording right away a video showing how to input this into the API connector workflow for Page 2 API.